Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about vitamin D testing. And it's important to know where your levels are, so to test your levels a few times through the year. And testing has never been simpler. Carlson Labs has teamed up with Omega Quant to have these kits available for purchase. All the necessary supplies and instructions are inside. So first, what you want to make sure you do is read through all the instructions very thoroughly, because if you don't, the results may be skewed. Secondly, you want to make sure that you wash your hands very thoroughly, and they include an alcohol swab to clean off your finger. Now, they recommend using either your pointer, middle, or ring finger. And what you do is you use the side of your finger, not the pad. So again, wipe your finger off with the alcohol wipe, then dry it with the gauze, and then make sure you take the lancet, twist the top off, then you place it right on the side of your finger and push it in, and you will hear a pop and feel the pinch. After that, you want to massage your finger to make sure the blood is flowing. And then you take your sample collection card, and they want you to place a droplet on the inner circle and one on each side of this. But they don't want you to touch your finger, so you just place the droplet on there. So in the end, what it should look like, ideally, is something along the lines of this, okay? And you want to make sure that this dries for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then you fill in all your information, close this up. Now, each sample card has their own number, and you have to register this or you won't get your results. So then you take this, place it inside of the baggie that was included, place all of that inside of the envelope, and mail it off. Now you need to make sure you do the sample collection and mail it all within the day, because it's time sensitive. So make sure that you take advantage of these, because again, it's very important to check your levels throughout the year. The results will come to you in about 2 to 4 weeks, and depending on where your level falls will give you a guide as to if you need to increase your vitamin D supplementation or not. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Stay safe, stay healthy.